Hi family friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's unbox my Black Friday gift. Let's see what's inside. Wow, it's my Lego Friends front bus. It's just like Shri. Wow. Let's get started opening. Lego Friends Friendship Bus. It has 778 pieces and it's a building toy. Let's unbox it! 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, a slide came. Cool. Look at it. It's outside. 5, 6, 7. With so many backstage. Have in the set. Here's our slide. It goes up to down. So have an instructions book with stickers. Let's open this. Wow, we got cool stickers. Wow, this is a large instructions book. Let's check what we do first. Oh, it looks like we have a brake separator in the set. Packages, and that is how we are gonna do today. We're gonna do the wall set, and here is our Mia and our Olivia and our Stephanie. Mia comes in bag 1. 2 is Olivia and Stephanie. Let us start with package number 1. Here's another package. Start building. So first we're gonna do our Mia. Now this is our Mia. She only has one hole for her hair accessory. Here's her bucket, paint roller, Part 1 is done. Now I'm moving to part 2. Here is bag number 2. I partially finished the second part and we're taking start to do first part. Okay. Then packet we got Olivia, Stephanie, 2 tennis rackets, a tennis playing area, our umbrella, camera, and our pool ring, our swimming pool under the bus. Now let's go to the packet number 3. In the third part, we have a table, a mug, table, chairs, sink, oven, bread, ketchup, and the hook. So many things we have, and the mice and the area that has mice. Now we're gonna start bagging for. Now Aryan's gonna help me for the 3 parts, and we're gonna get started with Aryan and myself. We have to make the friendship best, so I think I don't know how to do this yet because it's the first time I have a me and Olivia and a bus.
Yeah, it's your first time, so you have to be very good at making the instructions.
Aryan just helped me for this part, and thank you, Aryan. Aryan just left, and I'm gonna explain you the 4th part. So in the 4th part, we got the mailbox, the doors. Let's see how we can open it. 1, 2. That's cool this time. And we kept the slide. Continued to Mice's home. Didn't continue to the kitchen yet, so we continue the driver area. Put the windows, the bathroom. Well, the bathroom was so easy. Okay, I'm gonna close the door, girls. And now I'm gonna do verse 5. Not backy number 5. So let's open it. Now let's see the 172 part. Okay, done. Now these are our beds. Now we're gonna do the rest. Gonna continue the 5th part for now. So pieces go over here. Last over. Now we're moving on to the 6th baggie, but before I want to explain you what we have in the 5th baggie. So we have a yellow mug this time, a watering area. We're a flower. We're a plant that is growing there, a table for a mug, 5 beds, and this is all 2nd floor. We're going to continue the 6th floor with baggie number 6, the last bag. It's a mistake, so I have to fix it. Now, 2 of the girls can. Okay, done. Yes, I did it right. put the ladder and tree. Now we're gonna put the wheels on.
Had to put the tires just now.
So our friendship bus is ready. Now I'm gonna explain to you what we have in our friendship bus. Like tours, I love Heart Lake City. Number 12 is here, and this is our number plate. It says EP41 395. These are the headlights, and these are the lights if these headlights are not working. These are our doors. Let's open it. Let us try to open it. Let's see if they're coming slowly or fast. Inside we have our kitchen. Now we have our oven, our bread, our ketchup, our sink, our pan with the egg inside, our stove, doors, and our door windows, our shelves. Now let us close the doors and move it into the swimming pool. And here's what the swimming pool looks like. It's our swimming pool, and let us close it down. Now this is our storage rooms. Here we have stickers. Maybe take photos, but I put umbrella here. Here we could put our tennies. These are our lights, or the mailbox. Let's see what's inside. Here's the Isle of Heart Lake City card. It has a lighthouse and a boat. It's an island. Let's put it back. Leaves, our telescope, the tree. And also we have our window shields that can protect the 5 girls from the rain. And these are the window shields, once again, to protect the girls from the rain. And let's see what's inside the window shields. Beds. Now we have our beddies ready. This is our area rug. Let's move to the other side and check whose beds they are. This side we have a window shield again. And we have Andrea's bed and Stephanie's bed. This is Olivia's, this is Mia's, and this is Emma's once again. Now we're gonna close it. Upstairs will get slided. And here's how they'll climb down. This one. Good. And this is our restroom. Let's open the door and see what's inside. So we have a sink and a toilet. Let's see if one of our mini dolls can sit well. Cool. It fits a mini doll, but a little kinda. Now come on, Olivia. Now we'll close the door and see what's hidden. The ladder, the slide, and our hook. We use it like this. Okay, we're gonna let one slide. Beep, beep, beep. Boop. Here's our laptop, and let's see what's inside. And this is our Lego laptop. Let Stephanie work. So my Stephanie's working on the laptop by chatting. There's a rocket here. Look how it is. It's a shiny, right? And look at these white. These are our racket decks. And we'll put them. And here's a coat that where the dolls could place, and this bulb too. Now we're gonna close the door. Beep. Olivia and Stephanie's playing tennis. Let's see how they play tennis. Catch. Eee. Now you can. Now we have our driver's seat, and Mia sitting inside the driver's seat. Finally, this is my Lego friendship bus. So you can also turn the friendship bus into a friendship swim club. The friendship swim car that I just made this morning. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!